Hey guys, today I will show you some really cool stuff. People ask me, can you use the Unreal Engine Injector together with the Playstation VR2 and the PC VR adapter? And this question I will answer you in this video. I will show you an industrial demo, and the Unreal Engine Injector is good for games that have the Unreal Engine and have no VR, that can fake VR, so you can use it with a VR headset. This is really nice, and I will show it you with the PlayStation VR2, the PC VR adapter, and of course a PC. My name is Thomas, and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Thank you to my sponsors, Woodghost VR, Opperman Events, which is Cape Area 1, and Virtual Reality in Basel. Let's have some fun with the video, and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, here we are with the PlayStation VR2 on my PC with the so-called industrial demo, Unreal Engine 5. And here, as you can see, give me a second, here's the Unreal Engine Injector. It's injected already. That means, yeah, I can use it here. So it works. Yeah, it's really nice, absolutely no problem. And yeah, we can go inside the headset now. I can watch around. The shaking of your video is not inside my headset. I only see it in you only see it in the video. So as you can see, I also connected the PlayStation VR2 controllers, and I can walk around here. But there is still the Bluetooth problem. Yeah. So I ordered the recommended TP-Link UB500 Bluetooth adapter, and it still doesn't work. So there is no Bluetooth adapter that works for now. They have to fix it. Yeah, they need to update the firmware of the adapter or whatever. I don't know. They have to do a fix. Until then, I would say I will go for mouse and keyboard. Now I use my mouse and keyboard, and we can walk around here. So for the people that ask me if you really need the controllers, as you see, you don't need it. I mean, it depends on the game. If you want to play like flight simulator or racing simulator, just connect your HOTAS or your racing wheel to your PC, and then of course you don't need the PlayStation VR2 controllers. Yeah, but for games like Half-Life Alyx, you need the controllers, of course, and we will have to wait for a fix. Yeah, but now this is about the Unreal Engine Injector and this cool graphics demo. I mean, look at this beautiness here. Look at this. It's just insane how good that looks. Yeah. The colors, everything. This is a demo, a high-end demo, and it's meant for very, very, very strong PCs. Yeah, and I got an RTX 4090 and an Intel 14900K CPU, so a very good PC. And as you can see, it's pretty smooth. I mean, it's not like 100 frames per second, of course. There is no PC that can handle this with 100 frames, but it's good, yeah. I mean, it's pretty smooth and it looks absolutely stunning, yeah. On the PlayStation VR2, guys, yeah. And now we will see the beautiness of the OLED display. So here in this area, everything is dark as it should be, yeah, because the PlayStation VR2 has an OLED display, and I tried the same scene with the Quest 3 that has an LCD display, and it doesn't look so good like this here, yeah. So, I mean, we all know it has advantages and disadvantages. For example, some people have problems with the Mura effect, yeah? They see some shadow things or whatever. I don't see that. I never had big problems with the Mura effect for the PlayStation VR2, but it depends on your... It's very individual, yeah? It's very, very individual, and for me, it's not a problem. So I would definitely prefer, in games where you don't need the controllers, I would prefer the PlayStation VR2 over the Quest 3, to be honest. Because, yeah, the black levels are much better, and also the colors are better because just of the OLED display. Yeah. My God, look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Holy moly. And this on the PlayStation VR2. Just buy a PC. No, I'm kidding. I mean, of course, you need a PC for that, yeah, you know. This is so nice. And now here, look at this. the scenes where everything is... I mean, you don't see it through the lens like me, but it's stunning, definitely stunning. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, if you stand in front of the decision, should you buy the Quest 3 or the PlayStation VR2 for the PC VR experience? I mean, there are also some advantages. I mean, the Quest 3 is wireless. Yeah, this is a huge advantage, of course. This one here is via cable. I mean, it depends on what you want to play. Yeah, for example, if you just sit there and play racing simulations or so, I would perhaps prefer the PlayStation VR2 over the Quest 3. Yeah, but as long as we have these Bluetooth problems, I also want to play like Half-Life Alyx and shooters and so on, and it just doesn't work right now. It doesn't work. Yeah. Sometimes I think there is 1 minute where it works with the Bluetooth connection, but then it doesn't work anymore. It's strange. But yeah, if you only play racing or seated stuff or something like this here, demos, you should definitely consider the PlayStation VR2 because yeah, it's absolutely nice. Yeah. My God, look at this! It's so beautiful. The colors. Oh my God. Here, this scene, it's so dark with the OLED display. Perfect. The atmosphere is good, yeah. And this is not even a VR game. This is the crazy thing. It's just via Unreal Engine Injector, yeah. Holy moly. This is so cool. Wow. Yeah, guys, so I don't want to explain it again how it works with the Unreal Engine Injector. I made a tutorial, I will put it in the description. Yeah, also the Unreal Engine Injector and the link to the demo here and so on. And then you can try it for yourself if you have the PlayStation VR2 or and a PC. And the adapter that comes soon. And then you can try it out, it's nice. Yeah, everything you need to know is in the description. Absolutely stunning. And yeah, guys, I would say that was very interesting. So the question that many of you asked me, oh, now I put off the headset and now the tracking is gone, of course. Does the PlayStation VR2 work with the Unreal Engine Injector? Yes, it does, as you see. And yeah, absolutely cool. But only this, guy. The Bluetooth connection is really, there is a problem. They definitely need to fix that. So, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE